how to change Facebook profile picture. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So for that, you may open up your Facebook application first, and once your Facebook app is opened, in order to change your profile, you can directly tap on your profile at the top and then open up your profile page. Once your profile page opens up, in order to change your profile, we can easily find an add a profile picture option. You can go ahead and tap on it. Otherwise, if you have already added a profile picture, it will give you an option of change profile picture. You may go ahead and tap on it and choose profile picture. You can either import it from Instagram as well. So let's head over to choose profile picture. And once your profile picture is selected, you can go ahead and type in whatever you want, like caption, and then tap on save at the very top. And then once that is done, your profile picture should be uploaded and your profile picture will also be changed. And that's it. So that is it. That is how you change your profile picture. You can go ahead and sync your picture if you prefer, but for now you may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.